going on, guys? John. I was just asked about doing a graduation sound system. Volunteer. It's about 15 minutes from my house, 20 minutes from my house. And I'm just doing a quick sound test. So right now I got two TS310s battery powered with the ELX-210P. So I'm still running the same system with the Sennheiser, Alto Bluetooth, iPad Pro, but I have 3 battery packs now and 1 extra speaker. I'm gonna put a speaker pole, but I don't have time right now. I think it sounds pretty good though. Super clear. So for Ken, you wanna check it out? Here we go, guys. Like I said, the iPad Pro 2018, 2 battery packs right now. Wireless mic. I'm gonna clean this up, but this is just a quick sound check. TS310. See the total over here. Sennheiser over here. I'll probably put a scrim on it. Just make it tidy. I even put the white scrims just to have them since it's graduation. And then this one's all the way over here. Got the kids with me. Got the kiddos. Always good. So all this distance, which is a good amount of feet. Let's see. Sennheiser battery pack. I put that up on a pole, which give you a little bit more throw. And that's it. See you later.